I still have a little bit leftover pink stuff. Pink goo stuff. And I am going to do this. I'm gonna go do these right here. These are like the stuff that you pull in the door. This is the door handle. I'm just gonna take these because these got quite a bit of rust in them. So does the other one over there. I'm gonna just take these out, pop these out real quick with the screws. Pop them in the pink goo, wait a bit, and then just do the same like what I did with the mirrors here. And hopefully these will look a lot better. Okay. So this one's from the right side passenger door. And this one's from the left side. I'd say equally rusty. Which one is better? This rust remover slash rust dissolver, which is this pink goo right there. Looks really weird. Or this apple cider vinegar, which is raw and unfiltered. People don't really use this. I've seen people using like white distilled vinegar and stuff, but never seen people using apple cider vinegar. So I'm just gonna try that, you know, experiment a little. But got the screws to these in there. This is the left side, that's the right side. And basically just gonna be seeing which one like works better. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna start off on the right side. And I know this apple cider vinegar will probably take way longer than what the rust dissolver would take, but who knows, you know? Could be the opposite. Okay, let's give it a shot. Ooh, that smells powerful. Okay, so I'm gonna give us a nice closer shot on this. Let's see. Okay, it is totally covered. I can see it bubbling a little bit. Now onto the pink goo. So, I'm just gonna take this pink goo and I should turn this over. But first I'll put some on the inside, because the glue's not really liquefied, you know. Okay guys, so the apple cider vinegar that I put this over, this, I don't see any bubbling or anything. It should be bubbling, you know, that's what they say, but I'm just gonna leave it there and check on it tomorrow, see what's happening. And these, the pink stuff, I can't leave 24 hours because it'll harden and you'll have to buy more of this to get the pink stuff off. So I think I'm gonna wait a few more minutes. It's been about 10 minutes, and in a few minutes I'm gonna take all this stuff and go rinse it off and scrape it down, see how this looks. Comment down below which do you think will look the best when it's done, the apple cider vinegar or the pink goo rust dissolver. Wow. Look how amazing that is right there. Still got some rust in that little corner, but wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. That's incredible. It really is. Wow. I think I should leave it in there for a little bit. See if it's hardened yet. No? I could leave that in there. Wow, look at that. It's incredible. It really is. Okay, would you look at that? Look how awesome and clean that is. Wow. Versus that. It used to look like that. Look at that. That's just from the pink rust dissolver. Now, I wish that is going to work pretty good. But just in case that doesn't work good on this maybe probably tougher type rust, I'm going to go ahead and dump a lot of this to cover this stuff. Except the plastic. I'm going to take this plastic out. No, I'll leave it in. I'll leave it in because it's got some little rust stains on it. But this stuff has already been treated by that pink stuff just for a little bit. And, I mean, it did a little bit of a good job because these were very rusty. But, like, see how I did some nice work on that. But I'm going to go ahead and dump all this in here and check it tomorrow, just like I'm going to do the same with that. Now this already looks so nice. There is a few little rust areas, you know, but I'm going to take it and actually put it in there some more and maybe even leave it in there overnight. Now, if you leave it in too long, the pink stuff does get hardened. But, you know, let's just leave it in there and see. There we go. Okay, that's gonna stay in there to let those chill in there with the tips just in, because the tips were just a little bit rusty, but I'm gonna let those chill overnight. Same with that piece. And all the pieces that are in the garage in the apple cider vinegar. Checking tomorrow. Let's see. Got some. Whoa, look, I can see some stuff came off. Like right there. Here we go. Okay guys, now that it's the next day, we can check out what the apple cider vinegar did to these little cup holder things. Not cup holders, but handles. Look at this. Beautiful. I left it in a day in the pink goo, and it just looks amazing. Like barely any rust on it at all. There's like none. But here, we can check out this now. Oh. On the inside I got some rust away, but whoa, look at that. Look at that. Watch. Whoa. It's just wiping right off. When it gets down to here, I'm gonna have to scrape that off, but look at that. Look at that, I just wipe it. That's awesome. That is amazing. Way better than I thought. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna give it some scrapes. Okay guys, so I just brought it back from the sink. I washed it down, scrubbed it real nice, as best as I could. It actually looks way nice. Look at that. That looks way better than before. Except the inside, as you can see, this is the one with the pink rust dissolver. And this is the one with the vinegar. I left it in overnight for both. But look at that. Look at that. I mean, it's pretty good just for some store-bought apple cider vinegar, you know. But look at that. That's like beautiful. As you can tell, this one is better, but they look like real nice, like real nice. I'm very happy with these results. Okay, so now that I brought it back. The plastic, I mean, it's just a little surface rust in the plastic. Plastic don't really rust, so it's just like some stains and stuff. But look at this. They look pretty nice for some very heavily rusted bolts and whatnot. I'm gonna paint these though. I'm definitely gonna paint these like this color, so they look nice again, you know. But look at that. That's like, I'd say that's probably kind of equal. Look at that. That's just beautiful. Like, I'd say it's equal. I'd say this works just as fine as this pink rust dissolver. This works just as fine. Okay guys, so I just spray painted those screws, and those screws got these bolts. So I painted them silver for the mirrors. And the mirrors, they were originally black, I believe, like that. So now I just gotta let them dry. And I'm gonna do some extra coats on them. So this one. Just let them sit and dry, and then do some more coats. Okay guys, we are back and I got these already. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these screws out, place it in, and put them in there. Okay, now for this one.